The noun 輸出 is used when talking about business and trade by companies or countries. You'll hear it in news and school topics. 輸出は会社や国の取引でよく出てくる言葉だよ。ニュースやビジネスの会話、社会の授業で使うよ。The word 輸出 means sending goods out of your country to another country to sell. It's a formal trade term in economics and business. 国内から外国へ商品を売って外へ出すことを指すよ。国同士の商売で使う少し硬い言い方だよ。The first kanji means transport or carry. It suggests moving things from place to place. You see it in words like yunyu and yuso. Picture trucks and ships at work. The second kanji means go out or take out. It is very common and basic. You see it in words like deguchi and shupbatsu. Think of something leaving a place. The company exports cars overseas. 会社は車を海外へ輸出します。会社は車を海外へ輸出します。Japan exports a small amount of fruit. 日本は果物を少し輸出しています。日本は果物を少し輸出しています。The country has seen an increase in exports this year. その国は今年輸出が増えました。その国は今年輸出が増えました。The new company began exporting to Asia. 新しい会社はアジアに輸出を開始しました。新しい会社はアジアに輸出を開始しました。The most common synonym of the word is 海外販売. It focuses on sales activity abroad, while 輸出 is a formal trade term about sending goods across borders. The most common antonym of the word is 輸入. It means bringing goods into your country, the opposite direction of 輸出.